Did you know that the brand of Celtic sea salt you're using may contain lead? The information that I'm about to provide you is coming from the website Lead Safe Mama, which is an organization that's been conducting independent third-party testing on consumer goods since 2009. So let's begin with the brand that everyone appears to be talking about, and that is Selena Naturally Celtic Sea Salt. The Lead-Free Mama website states that children should not consume any more than 5 parts per billion of lead in foods. And when they tested the Selena Naturals Celtic Sea Salt, they found a whopping 626 parts per billion of lead. And they even reported this bold statement on their website that this brand of Celtic Sea Salt should not be consumed. And to put that 626 parts per billion in a different perspective, they also show us this table where you can see 626 parts per billion of lead is over 12,000 times the maximum amount that should be consumed by kids. What about the brands that did not have any heavy metals like lead and arsenic and cadmium? So the Lead-Free Mama website highlights these 3 brands as having no detectable amounts of arsenic, lead, or cadmium, and they are as follows: Diamond Crystal Kosher Salt, Maldon Salt Sea Salt Flakes, and Jacobson Salt Company Pure Flakes Sea Salt. So if you're a fan of sea salt, those are the 3 brands worth taking a look at.